So, can you finally hear me? Can you?
Hold on. Right. If you guys can hear us now, we're back. Finally. Turns out the update of Windows decided to break everything.
Right. Blame Windows.
I will blame Windows. Right. Can you guys hear me even? Hold on. I should be live now. I am live. Yes, thank you for noting that out. But okay, right. I'm back. Finally. Back in black. No, I'm not. Right. Scrap mechanic. This is up to a beautiful start. Bennett, can you send me the playlist or can you not? So you can have. Is
Just
it?
go to NCS and then you go to playlists.
No, Brent. You know what I mean. Not that playlist. The one from Mumbo.
Boombo.
With other words, no. Anyways, I'd like to say hello to the Pie Guy, Nick, Paugli, and everyone else who I cannot see right now. Talking in the chat because I started over. Participants, it's Nick, the Pie Guy, Volzu Gamer 2. Right. We're back. I hope you guys are still kind of here. Kind of not, I guess. This is working out beautifully.
I know, right?
No, yeah.
The stream starts out with me finding out I'm hacked.
No,
The
that did.
password is out there. And and then nobody can hear me. Beautiful.
And Mark, also. Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm lagging. Let's put on some legs on this thing. This is just for the thumbnail. So you guys probably.
Stream in my video feed.
Oh yeah, definitely, because I haven't set up the game capture, which is fine. I haven't shown anything much.
No, I just don't see it. It's not in my video feed. I need a link. Where's the link?
Of my stream.
Yes.
Hold on. There you go. Hello, Poison Dark. Welcome to the stream. Also, why am I at 18 FPS? Oh, because of this thing. Right. Let's detach this. Start working on the actual. Oh, I didn't even. Right. Yay! Great start. There we go. FPS. Thank you.
Oh my god, Discord. That's fucking.
Can you not swear, Brent? Thank you. Brent has this thing where if he streams, he wouldn't care. He would just swear, no matter what.
Yeah.
Alright, this is aligned. I don't know if we're even gonna use this layout. I was kind of hoping like for a thing that. Oh, what is this? Why are you showing this now? What is this? What is this? Brent, what is this supposed to be?
What?
Why are you spawning this?
I'm not spawning anything. I'm not in the world.
You're not?
No.
Who was that then? Oh, Bloodthirst. I didn't even notice that this guy just joined out of nowhere. Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Dude, I'm streaming. I don't even know that guy. Alright, I'm sorry. He just joins. He doesn't care one bit. But yeah, hello to everyone. I'm glad to have you here. I know it's Sunday, but who cares? Brent, can you join quickly?
Sure. I kind of have to change a lot of passwords, but sure, I'll
Yes.
join you.
Brent is apparently got hacked or something. And are you joining? Should I go offline?
Yeah, it's joining.
Invisible. No, he joined again. Oh my god, no. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't like doing stuff like that. I don't like unfriending people, but I just have to. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Brent. You also have to rejoin now.
Are you
Right.
sure? Still joining.
No, you'll quit for you.
Hmm.
It's not my fault that people actually. It is kind of my fault why people are joining, but still, I was like, yo, can you stop? I don't like unfriending people on Steam, right? There's a very few amount of people that I allow to be my friends, and those who are shouldn't mistreat that power. Alright, Brent, are you joining?
Yes, I will try joining because I will have to restart Scrum Mechanic because you
Alright. I guess it's gonna be fine. I guess I can stay
is
online for some
joining
time.
now.
So, the idea was, let's make a thing, a tool that pretty much measures your power for your engines, right? So, what I came up with, or me and Brent kind of came up with, was this thing over here. Let me quickly show. Right, this thing, right? And this, my friends, is a dyno. A very large one and a very unspecific one, but the one we're gonna be building today is gonna be better. Gonna be way better. Alright, this is just a thing that kind of outputs your everything into kilowatts. What you need to do is like start. Nope, that's not how you start the engine. Right, you start the engine, and what you need to do is manually crank up the torque. And this is the torque in Newton meters. This is actually Newton meters. Hello, Technico. Welcome to the stream. And out you get a number, and this is the comma. What is it called? This is
Hey, you crashed me. I have no idea what you did, but you crashed.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Right. So this engine can produce about 470-ish kilowatts. That's quite a lot actually for a piston engine. Right, Brent. Before you start joining, are you joining right now?
No.
Right, that's good. Because this is apparently a bad thing. Should be good now. Right, so this is the old tool. It basically, the reason why there's like so many modules, these are pretty much the same, just repeating themselves. Brent quickly made this in order to have like, well, I mean, I guess you can explain it better, but I think it pretty much works in a way where it would make the value that comes out a little bit more specific. Because, for example, the output of my engines is not constant, right? And you can it would always jump up and down, and sometimes it jumps so quickly you cannot really understand what type of a number it is. So that pretty much slows the thing down. As
No, that is the white part over there. No, behind you.
am I
Well, wait.
screen sharing still?
No, but fuck. Never mind. I was checking the stream. It's the
I know.
Standing. Okay, yeah.
I was just walking around, Brent, and explaining.
Okay.
I wasn't really showing anything. Right, so pretty much this is like gets like a rough estimate. Not a rough.
There's a thing that averages it out.
Yeah, pretty much. So you get like an average output. These are gonna be a part of the newer thing, the actual stuff. That's why I'm calling Brent, so we can make this more user friendly, right? Also, the other problem is the torque. since you kind of have to have the torque set up by default, you cannot really. You either have to crank it up by your own, or like on your own, or you have to do that with a very interesting method. And because in real life the dynos are they convert torque to whatever the electrical measurement for that is. I cannot tell you right now. I can guess it. Brent, why are you running against the thing? And you're running.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Brent, you're running against. Brent, are you not crashed? Are you sure you're not crashed?
No, I'm not sure. Oh.
Right. So basically, what is happening is also. By the way, can you guys hear the music? No, you cannot. It's pretty quiet. There we go. Brent, can you speak so people can hear you?
Speak.
Oh my god, nobody actually understood you. Can you speak now?
Yay.
Can you speak now?
Yeah, it's fine. Should be fine.
Right, yeah, definitely. It seems to be way better now. Sorry for those who couldn't hear Brent.
Alstrak, just a quick heads up. You can do that in OBS. You can check the thingies, the little dials.
Yeah, no, I did it on
Dials.
on what is it called? On Discord.
Yeah, no, that doesn't work.
It does. It's because my dials are all the way up. That's why. Anyways, don't worry, people can hear you now. Make Brent ear wape. Nah, I won't. Right, Brent, let's start working on this. So, what is your way of doing stuff? What is your idea? Because pretty much most of this thing is gonna be made by Brent, and we're gonna watch Brent from my screen, which is weird, but yeah, I mean, Brent doesn't want to stream this, which is totally fine. Which means more views for me, although I don't know how to really work with this.
So pretty much it's just gonna work.
Yeah, it's just gonna work. Alright, also, we kinda like need to... Yours, like, when we were planning this, he told me about... And holy smokes, I'm at 200 FPS. 240. When we were planning this, he pretty much told me that we're gonna have... we can make a graph thing too, kind of a thing. Where
no.
Is that not gonna happen?
That takes a lot of work.
Well, we don't have to do it right now, but you said we can do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can we try to explain them first how this works?
Well, I kind of explained it to them, but sure.
No, you didn't.
Right, basically, the way to calculate power is torque multiplied by RPM. And that's pretty much it. That's the basic thing. And then what you get is watts.
You still haven't explained them how you calculate the torque.
Alright, the way you calculate the torque is through this thing, right? And because first what we did was we measured the piston, right? The piston, how much Newton meters it can push the piston,
yeah,
right?
and we verified that the game files are correct. And
yes.
use accurate measurement.
Not only that, we can also check it by setting this all the way up to 5,000 Newton meters. Or actually, yeah, 5,000. Actually,
an electric engine is 10,000.
No, hold on. You can use your hammer for that. Actually, no, we can go all the way up to 15,000 torques. And the hammer, yeah, it's gonna... Wait, what? We should be able to go all the way to 15,000.
Hey, I crashed again.
What? Did you touch it? Did you... Alright, I think this is a broken thing. Hold on, Brent.
What?
Right, so...
You press the tick button and it dies?
The tick button?
No, wait, a normal button. What?
What are you talking about?
No. I don't know what happened.
Right, so pretty much the hammer in the game you can hit it with a power of 15. Don't join yet, Brent. Please don't. Just don't. Right? You're gonna crash anyway. Right, so the hammer in the game can pretty much has a power output of not power, torque output of 15,000. You joined.
Yeah.
No, 5,000 newton meters. Right. Also, a block in scrap mechanic is 0.25. No, wait. 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that means if you stack 4 of them, you have 1 meter. That means I have 3 meters right here, right? And 15,000 newton meters of torque applied to this bearing right there. Meaning, I need to push out 3 meters multiplied by 5,000, and I'm gonna get the exact same output. And you're gonna see if I hit here, I wouldn't really be able to push it. I mean, I kinda am. Hold on. You have to do it straight on. Actually, no. Yep, thank you. Brand down. Right. I mean, it's kinda pushing, but it's not really efficient. And over here should be the end, and from here on out should technically be working. But scrap mechanic is quirky. Believe me, I tried this before and it worked. Why is it not working now all of a sudden? Right, now you can really see how I'm pushing it. And over here, scrap mechanic is weird, right? Let's just say it like that. Basically.
Or I was.
Oh, Brent, you. Come on. Brent was pretty much okay. Hold on. Alright, you can see over here it's not really doing much. It's still kind of doing so. It also depends on where you hit it on. Yeah, it's not gonna work out if we're both pushing the right direction, the opposite direction. But you can see right there that it's pushing further and further. Basically, it's going above the 15,000 meters mark because this is above 3 meters. So yeah, if I put something here, Brent is gonna crash.
Someone is asking me to make an explosion.
Right, so this is basically it. So we pretty much multiply the torque applied to that bearing, which is always in newton meters.
Explained how we get the torque.
Right. Oh gosh, Brent, come on, show it to them. Come on.
It's a simple bearing where you have friction. To overcome that friction, you need a certain amount of torque.
Yes, you can demonstrate. Which we just did. But where did you get that from? Tell the people. You got it from the piston, which is pretty much the same as the bearing. It's just that the piston has a linear movement and the bearing has a circular.
Yeah, I pretty much got it from the piston. No, I pretty much just checked the game files and I know how the smart engine is programmed because I programmed it. And,
That's applause. Applause, Brent, right? Yeah, sorry, continue.
So, yeah, that's why.
Yeah, so this is pretty much it. Now let's change the music because I don't like this song, and start working on the thing. No. This song also, please no. This be a good song.
I'll give you a song.
No, Brent, stop. Pistons are bearings just broke. No, Brent. This is like the oldest trick in the book. No, in your book or lift, whatever. So let's just get working on this, right? Let's have. I'm gonna work on the aesthetics pretty much, and Brent is gonna work on the thing. What we're gonna have in the end is horsepower output, torque output, and kilowatts output or watts.
I'm gonna call it Alstraks. How many Alstraks it outputs?
Yeah. Or we can also have dwarf powers.
Oh my god.
That would be funny.
Oh, then we don't even have to bind to any kind of system.
Yeah.
Like Horsepower, meh. You don't need to know the conversion between horsepower and dwarf power.
Yeah. No. We want actual accurate measurements that people can understand. Horsepower is James Watt's type of power, and funny enough, the watt is the metric version for that, and that is pretty much inspired by James Watt, and it has a different calculation, but it has his name, even though he used the imperial system. But yeah. Anyways, right, so how are you gonna do this? Basically, we're gonna have like an input over here somewhere. Or, right, this is gonna be the input for your engines, or whatever you have. And it's gonna be pretty much a thing that sticks out. And you connect whatever you want. No, Brent, not like that. Come on. Let's not be kids today, right? Brent, please. Please, let me stream. Right? Maybe we're not streaming, but no, right? Good, please. Right, so where do we begin, Brent? You tell us. You wanted to do the graphing thing. You destroyed this. It's fine.
How about you already have the system for like the torque conversion thingy?
Yeah, it's completely bad. We're gonna start over, Brent, please.
Why don't you spawn that and try?
Because
to
you're gonna
make that
crash.
system over? No. Oh, god damn it, Alstrak.
Minometer. Minometer. What?
How did I call it? Oh, Alstrak measure thingy.
Alright.
Yeah, that makes sense. Here we go. There's the torque thingy. Here's the average thingy, and here's your conversion.
No, Brent, let's make it all the way, let's just start over.
Yeah,
I know
but
you love reusing your old stuff, which looks
yeah,
ugly.
but how about you build this stuff and copy paste it here, and I'll worry about the radar stuff.
Alright, sure, I can do that, yes. Alright.
So, if anyone wonders how we're gonna graph stuff out, I'm gonna use this thingy over here. Where are you even?
Over here.
Oh no.
You did not crash, which is good. Did you crash now?
No.
What about now?
No.
Good. Great, actually.
We are gonna have an area where... Oh, god damn it.
Was that it? It just took me to paint the thing.
Yeah.
Right. Well, the thing is, I guess now you have to wait. Cause I need to quickly set this up so you don't crash each and every time.
Chris, no, I'm not gonna talk Dutch.
Alright, Brent, can you wait for a second? Are you joining?
No.
Good. I know this is kind of unnecessary to have it here, but I'd rather have it there.
You're gonna have way too much fun crashing me over and over and over again.
Nah, just a little bit. Could you guys please keep it in English? I know Dutch is an interesting language, but still.
It's very English. Very interesting.
Right, I believe you can now join in. Please keep it as it was. English. I wonder if I hold on. Are you gonna crash again if I do this?
God damn it, Alstrak.
You crashed. Alright. That's a bad sign actually. Okay, in that case, we're gonna do something else instead. Instead of having this,
10 seconds. 10 seconds I was in the world.
no, it was even less. Okay, I guess I won't abuse the system.
You call this a system?
No, I mean the pass-through glitch, because that's what's making you crash. Brennan's having a very enjoyable time right now. Right, I need to make.
I think I'm just gonna add something to the mod pack that makes you crash every 5 minutes or something.
Me?
Yeah.
Just me?
Yes.
You might as well just make something that says Alstrak joined your world.
Why is my lift still here and why can I still control it?
I don't know, you're Brim Badge, you know that stuff. So if I delete the block here, you're gonna crash, right? I guess not. Which is good. It was pretty much a joke anyways. Oh, also we have the keypad now, which is good.
It does not remember a value when you reload a world though. Just saying. I'm gonna spam some jammers all over the place so we don't show up on the radar.
Are we gonna use a manual torque setup or are we gonna use a non-manual torque setup, Brent?
What?
Are we gonna use a manual torque setup or not? As of where you input the torque on your own. No, Brent, plane, please.
I need to put the radar somewhere and this seems like a good spot.
Oh my god, Brent. You're aware we're gonna change most of this, right?
No.
Why is there a number on the bottom? And what is the number referring
That's
to?
a range. So look, if you make it 32 you can see
It's using the I was wondering what that noise was. It's using the screenshot thingy. Noise.
Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, it is. What the heck?
Okay,
Alright, so this goes like this.
fake tracking position with RGB number input. What? I don't remember it coding it like that.
I have a feeling Derv decided to do something stupid again.
Yeah, I'll check. Let me check.
Right, this is setup.
Yeah, Durv decided to do something stupid. The description is completely wrong. Yay!
Right, this is the torque.
Can you please turn that engine off?
What engine?
The piston thingy.
Can you
It's
hear it?
spazzing out. Yeah, it's spazzing out. It's super annoying. Yes, better.
I'm sorry. Alright, what needs to happen next is...
Right.
And what needs to happen next is I need to also get the RPM in the value. That's a value, I mean. Wait, what happens if you have a number that is way too big and you input it into a number block? It gives you the n plus thingy, right?
Only you have multiple inputs to the number block and combines them.
Oh, okay.
But if you only have one input to the number block, then it'll try to make it a digit.
Yeah, but can you output that digit to a thing? For example, can I use that as a...
It'll be just that digit though.
Oh, okay, well, I guess...
Not the whole number.
Oh, hold on, where did you input the thing before here? Like the RPM, where did you input it into? Over here, right? Into this white thing on the back.
Yeah.
Well, that means it's not just a digit.
It's white. It carries the whole value.
Oh,
It doesn't
so
contain a digit value.
so if it's white, that means it can contain everything, the whole thing.
Yes.
All right, that's good to know. I didn't know that. Alright, so now I need some math blocks. Is Chris still talking in Dutch? Chris, I'm serious. Please stop. Also, question mark. I'm not really following the chat, am I?
No, you're not.
We need hexadecimal number block.
Use the ASCII gate.
Ren always has a solution.
Yep.
What about the black?
Also carries the whole value.
Oh, hold on.
As long as it is not a color that shows a digit.
So I can do this, right?
Yeah.
And then I can do this and then do this.
Yeah.
Alright, good. So far we got the... oh yeah, also the RPM needs to be calculated the proper way. So what you do is multiply by 60, then divide by 360. That means you can pretty much divide the thing by 360.
many dots do you want to be have visible on the radar?
Depends on many things actually.
I'm not drawing text on the radar. Just saying.
This is always gonna save, right?
Hmm?
This is always gonna save. This right here. If I spawn it in this, like if you save this while I have a number input saved into this thing, it's still gonna save, right? The counter, I mean.
Yeah, the counter will always save.
Even between worlds.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Alstrak, you should know this by now.
No, Brent, I just want to make sure.
Oh no.
What happened?
The timer uses white to make the length of the number thingy, and I can't paint them white, so it's kind of annoying.
Why Alstrak? Right.
Some guy joined. Do you have the anti-spawn thingy?
No. Why do they keep joining these people? I'm gonna quit the world. Jesus.
I really need to make that administrator mod.
That's not from my game, Brent.
I
That's not
don't
from
know
my...
that guy.
What? You know that guy?
I don't.
What did they join? Like, I really wonder.
I can see why. Never mind.
Why?
I was still in the scrap mechanic chat room.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
Yes.
I
know.
quit all of those. Seriously, that's so annoying. Right. So should I go offline?
Yeah.
Just to be sure, right? Right, Alstrak, invisible. Do not disturb. Alright, you can join. If you're not in. No, you're mechanic. Mechanic. Mechanic.
What?
You're
No,
mechanic.
That's not me.
No? Really? I don't think anyone else can make such things. Alstrak, create a tile and upload it and add brand badge to contribute. Actually, that's a smart idea, because then people wouldn't be able to do stuff. That's a very smart idea.
Or I can just make the administrator mod, where you can literally crash people.
Nah, not now.
Not now, but I will make it. too much fun to crash people.
That is true. So you multiply this with this, then you get an output. Oh wait, this was not supposed to be like that. Whoa. I very stupid right now.
Are these enough dots for the radar?
We need more, Brent, come on. Are you silly? Oh my god, Blake. You're lagging me out. Holy smokes. Alright, no. This shouldn't be that long. Come on. There's probably a way to do this right.
No, these are the amount of dots that we're gonna use.
The amount of dots.
Yeah, on the radar.
Yeah, can you like stack it behind each other or something so it's smaller?
No.
Yes, you can.
I'll use the short version.
Wait, I don't even know. What is this freaking... Switch to English, damn it. Right, Alright, so I basically need to get this, then multiply it, or...
I'm gonna make the render engine, okay?
Sure. The render engine? What?
Yeah. It'll render stuff on the radar.
Right. Awesome. And here I am trying to make some stupid stuff which I'm not... I'm just trying to make look good. Right. This divided by this, which is supposed to be... This really 60 right now? It is. Great. Alright, so you take that value which comes out of here, and then you multiply it. You get you put into the this into that. No. Then you multiply this with that. Then you get a number. Which then God
you don't
damn
have
it.
the console open, do you?
Nope.
Ah.
Should I?
No.
I have a feeling you're gonna be doing stupid things. Alright, let's do it like this actually. I've been redoing this like 3 or 4 times already. Or I did redo it 3 or 4 times. Which is not good, it's not healthy. Just wanted to be good looking.
Who likes the no texture in the mod pack?
The new
Items.
texture.
Yeah, the purple background and stuff.
I'm okay with it. It's easier to differentiate stuff. If this was Minecraft, you would see the texture around the block. This is how Alstrak spends 20 minutes on nothing. Hey, it's fine, Brandon's doing all the work anyway.
Yeah.
The sound of disappointment. You didn't hear him probably, but he pretty much sighed there. And he sighed hard. It was like, ah. Right, Brent? Still here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think we all know how that feels, Brent. Alright, so pretty much you need torque. No, first of all, there you go, good. First of all, what you need to do is get this number.
Alstrak, can you get over here? Is this orange number block flickering or going any other value?
You mean the memories? Or that?
Here.
Nope, nope, it's 0.
0.
It's not doing anything, it's just 0.
And now?
Now it's flickering. Between 1 and 0. And it's gonna give me epilepsy. No, it's not.
Okay.
I hope others don't get it though. Was that one? Oh. Chris, I'm seriously gonna mute you if you don't start speaking English, please. Everyone else is speaking English. It's just not fair for the others. Right? Please. I don't like muting people, I don't like banning people, I don't like doing or kicking people out of the stream. I don't even know if I can do that, but please, I'm begging you. Right, no, you don't do that. Alright, and that's gonna give you a value which is gonna be whatever. Bren, I need those modules that kinda like do the average thingy. I don't know how to make them. I don't know how they should be made. XY, interesting. Brennan's making functions here, guys. Brennan's actually doing functions while I'm doing simple math and failing pretty much easily. Oh gosh. That's why I'm not that good at... I mean, that proves that I'm not good at maths at all. Right. So...
Didn't I make a giant thingy for that?
No, I live in Germany, alright? I don't understand what you guys speaking. What are you guys speaking? Proper English right there. What you guys are speaking. So
Also,
yeah. Yes.
I didn't save the average thingy from last time.
Oh, isn't it this thing here?
Yeah, it's the same, but...
I don't know how to make what it's supposed to be or how it's supposed to work.
Okay, so you have an input. And then you have a lot of gates that are chained together. So it delays the input by a tick every time.
Mm-hmm.
Then you add all of those gates together. So basically you add
Oh yeah, right.
last 8 values and then you divide it by 8. Or whatever number you
How are you gonna delay them? How do you delay them?
look at the white gates. Chain them together, that's delaying them.
Oh, okay. Hold on. How much delay can I give this thing? In order for it to work pretty well.
As much as you want. Starting from 10 it becomes pretty good.
I'm gonna do 20. Just because I can. That's just gonna add them together.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, if you delay them, wait. My gears aren't spinning fast enough. Right, so you do that, and it connects to that, and then that. That's connected to that. Okay, I get it now, I think. Damn it, I feel stupid. need to charge my phone. Ah. I just slapped myself with a cable. It's not even a joke. Right, this got really quiet real quick. I just didn't even notice that, jeez. Not good, right? Not good. Right, so what I'm basically gonna do now is I got this value, which is gonna be, right, basically what I have, the torque is right here, right? This is torque. This is the input from the thingy-majingy, which you're supposed to divide by 60 in the end. This is just the averaging part right here, which has 20 things which are added together, and then they're divided by 20. just to get the average thing. Over here you have the, just because you get the, what is it called, degrees per second, you have to divide it by 60 in order to get what is it called, revolutions per minute, and that's pretty much RPM right here. I can even write it as with ASCII. And over here you're gonna be doing I'm gonna make the kilowatt thingy. So basically what you're gonna get as an input is gonna be watts, but not kilowatts. So in order to get it into kilowatts, you basically divide it by 100. Simple maths. So I'm gonna have one of those buttons, then press it once, and then you multiply this with this. And this is gonna be your output. In kilowatts. If you can make this number work, of course. And just to make sure it's cool and stuff, this is gonna be your horsepower over here. This is kilowatts, which I'm gonna write even here. I need ASCII. Kilowatts, horsepower. Horsepower, which again is gonna be a weird number which you need to multiply, which according to YouTube, and hello Ike, welcome to the stream. No, not according to YouTube, according to Google, it's 1 point, no, just to be very, very precise, it's gonna be wow, that's gonna be such an annoying number to get. It's gonna be 1.341002. Holy smokes, how am I gonna get this? Right. Right, let me get back to this. When is the ASCII block even true ASCII? Is asking the pie guy.
Not really.
Right, so this is gonna be 3. Hold on, I messed up my setup here. 3, 4, 1, 0, and then 2. Then you multiply with this. No, you have to multiply with this. Funny enough. And then you get horsepower. Alright, Brent, I got the module. Gonna be RPM. So 100 kilowatts, around 130 HP, just about ish. 134. RP. No, don't duck. It's just such a workout. RPM. Just use this special block in order to indicate the input. Can I use this as an input?
What? Oh, the eye.
Yes.
Yes.
It wasn't actually a question for you technically, but yeah, whatever. Alright, since Brent is working on stuff, I can show you the model that I'm working on. Should I, Brent? Should I show it to the people? Even though I already showed it, but I guess it would be a good idea to do it now.
No, it's fine.
Right. The one thing I don't like about this is the way that it shows the freaking thing, background thing, but whatever. Anyways, right. So I'm gonna add image and then properties. Oh no, that's not gonna be the image. Let me quickly actually, you know what? I can just show it in Blender, I guess. What the heck? Why is everything in ghost mode? What the heck? Everything is in like ghost mode or something. For whatever reason. Oh, opacity or something. Might have changed that.
You do realize it doesn't show on stream, right?
I'm aware right now. Max, hold on. World, background, strength. What is happening? Alright, I guess this is good enough. Alright, game capture, change that to Blender. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Right. Yeah, sorry for the bottom part. It won't really be. I cannot fix it right now unless I do. Nope, that's not gonna work out. Right. So this is the model I'm working on. This is gonna be a flamethrower that Bren is gonna make into a thing in the game, and this is the model for it. And I'd like to hear what you guys think about colors and
Spoilers.
yes. Alright, see ya, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. I'm really thankful for that. Anyways, what do you guys think? Is it cool? Does it look cool? More rust. It's gonna have rust. Right, so basically to explain, this is the remodeled tank that is for the spud gun in the game, which I'm gonna show in a second. This is gonna be like an indicator that's actually gonna show proper stuff, according to Brent. This is a pipe, and this is gonna be a rope, which holds the handle and the thing together. The fun part is this is an actual oxygen tank for divers. And what I'm trying to do is make it as interesting as possible. This is going to be, it's not right now, it's going to be a fire extinguisher ending. And yeah, it's like a quick release mechanism in order to reload quickly. So yeah, I also modeled this, which was fun. But yeah, you can see some of the stuff, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, what do you guys think about most of it? Looks awesome, especially that pipe which goes to the nozzle. I know! This is just for the fire thing, just to make the thing start. There's gonna be like another pipe that goes into all the way into the front here. Which used to be a green pipe, but I don't know, like a hose pipe. I don't know what to do though. Should I make it a hose pipe? Would be cool though. Like one that just comes out of the ending here and just goes there. Because there's gonna be a handle here. The coolest thing is, you're gonna hold this like a minigun. Right? According to Brent. As long as this all works, you're gonna hold this as a minigun. It will be all cool and stuff. But yeah, this is just like a fire extinguisher holder. Stuff like that, you know. Random scrap parts. This is just a bracket to hold the thing. But yeah, you get the idea pretty much. It's all made up together and looks cool. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly save this. For some reason, when I click on this, it's just opaque and stuff. You can see through the stuff. I don't know what happened there. I'm guessing the alpha things got changed or something. The values. It's not really a problem. Blender is so quirky and stuff. It's complicated. It's free, but it's complicated. Right. So yeah. Let me quickly switch to scrap mechanic again. Which should happen right now. Come on, scrap mechanic. There we go. So yeah. Wait, what? Hold on. X-ray top right corner. Oh my god, you're a genius, Aiki. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. You know, I should probably use that way, like more often. The whole new layout of Blender is so different. Can you start that again? That's a sinus curve.
Yes.
Which is pointing the wrong direction.
Whatever. As long as it works.
No, over here it shows the other way. Look.
Yeah, I know.
It shows upwards. That's a lot of dots.
Yes.
Is that a bad thing? Or is that a
No.
good thing?
That's fine.
Right. So yeah, there's also supposed to be a mechanism that's gonna kickstart your engine. Like it's pretty much gonna find the sweet spot for your maximum power output. Which Brent said it can make. Again, that's why I have Brent here, because he knows everything. Although his name is Mechanic. But yeah. I'm gonna quickly save this. It's also painted, because it's cool. Nah, this is an ugly color. Dynamometer calc. Let's see if it actually works. I mean, to spawn it, because there was bugs. Alright, it shows the right values for the ASCII shit. That's just stuff. Right, Bren, I have this going. What's next?
Just a second.
Yeah, Blender Guru is awesome. I still have a lot to learn on Blender. Like, I don't know how to do bone stuff. Also, I'm not very good at unwrapping stuff either. I'm just barely starting that out. But I can model cool stuff, I guess. I have the creativity for that. And I'm actually happy that I can do that, because I've been wanting to teach myself Blender for a very long time. And the reason why I started was because of my IT teacher, which gave us the topic to make a Blender rocket thingy, which was supposed to fly, and I put like 300% of myself into that thing, and nobody else actually did. But yeah. Oh, this is also an interesting color.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. How are you gonna translate? Brent! Oh my god! I'm gonna die.
What?
You
Why?
better put everything together.
Hmm?
Look,
Oh.
it's such a mess.
Nah, it's fine.
Nah, Brent, it's not. You better fix it. Look how tidy my stuff is. Look at this. Look at this. No, come check this out. Look how tidy this is. You see this? It's tidy. It's clean. It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, but you were copy pasting. I had to do something new.
No.
Also, you don't really need this stuff over here.
What? The part over here?
Yeah.
And no, I did not copy paste. I put it together properly. I started from zero.
Right.
I used 3D Max, but it was way too complicated and resource hungry. Yeah. Why did you just put this? Oh, I thought you... No, Brent, don't make it that long.
No, it's just a test.
Holy smokes, why is it... Oh, is it because of the color of these things?
Yes.
Oh my god, there's that one, there's that one. Let me do this. I just have to. Oh my god. How does it look, Brent?
It's very nice.
Really? No! Why is it broken?
I kind of added some more.
No, but like, why is it broken? Like, the colors are weird. I think I know why. Because it looks like that. Okay, whatever. Brent, it needs to be a mile long. Yeah, it's gonna be probably. Why does it have to be this long? Seriously. Because you want it to be a continuous curve? How can you manipulate this curve now? With a function.
Okay, so input is X and Y. And, well, the green switch is record. So when you record stuff, it'll save it to the memory panel. And
Right.
when you're done recording, you switch the green switch off, so it doesn't record anymore. And then you can press the yellow switch to just display everything.
What about the numbers, Brent?
Hmm?
What about the numbers?
Yeah.
Alright, do you want me to try to make those work? Because you kind of need like a graph thing, graph tool. It needs to like show like the... Is this like the endings of those, of that? Is that seriously the end?
What do you mean?
The radar. Is that really the end part?
Yeah.
Is it a circular thing or is it a square?
Circular.
Oh, that's annoying.
I know.
Should make like a graphing tool, Brent.
Could use this.
Why am I all the way down, like all of a sudden down to 80 FPS? No. Is this?
Wait, what? Oh no.
What?
It doesn't use the spoofed address.
Spoof. Okay.
Do you see the sine wave?
Nope.
Just a dot.
Just
Flickering.
dots that are flickering, yes. Changing colors.
Yeah.
Not cool, Brent.
No, I know.
Nah, I'm joking. It's probably like a stupid problem.
I'll fix it some other time.
Derv doesn't have to know about that, okay? Alright, guys? You guys don't have to tell Derv.
He's gonna know within an hour.
How do you know that?
Because someone that cannot keep his mouth.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
Brent, are you supposed to be asleep now?
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, how much longer do you need for this?
It's done.
It's done, so you can graph stuff out.
Yeah.
So you can... Right. Now we just need to do the startup thingy. And then it's gonna be fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so how do we do that?
No idea.
Right, we were saying we're gonna pretty much give it a kickstart if it just stops, right? And each time we're gonna remove a little bit of the torque that is supplied to the bearing. Right? Makes sense, right, Brand?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. We also want to know which direction the engine is supposed to spin, right? Right?
Nah.
Come on, Brent. Brent, don't use complicated words in your Alstrak. He doesn't understand them. True. They scare him, yes. They do. They do definitely scare me. Alright, Brent, if you don't know how to proceed, we can also end it here. Which is definitely fine, because I have school tomorrow and I have to take a shower still. Alright, but turns out Brent's internet kinda broke. I can hear you now.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Alright, I said If you want to end it here, just let me know.
Yeah, the computer to like kickstart and go back and
Yeah,
then try again.
that's gonna take a while to do. So maybe we can make this into a few parts streamed if you want to. If not, we can make this off camera. And then one day we're gonna come out with a solution and we're gonna give you the best two of them all. Wow.
You can
Right?
already have some fun with the graphing tool.
Yes.
Yeah, no, you're recording now. You fucked it up.
Yeah, what the heck? It's this. My FPS went down. Why is my FPS going down so hard?
Mainly because it's loading a lot of values and it's a huge array.
Yeah, does it have to be this big? Those don't have to be like perfect.
Look. Oh, fuck's sake, you broke it.
I broke it.
Yeah, just a second.
That's not a good sign if I managed to break it.
There we go.
Oh, Brent! Oh, you're on stream! It's not just me, Brent. He likes to do that every now and then. Why did you do that?
He didn't react. Does this look alright?
I said, yeah, it looks awesome. Why is it sideways here? I don't get it.
Because it's top view actually. You should look at it like this.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Oh. Oh, the smokes. Interesting. Alright, you can stop. Ah, dude. I like how it actually projects just this parts here. Why did you make that as a model? No, I don't care.
It's particles.
No, I mean just it was just showing the black lines when you as a shadow.
Oh, in this glass.
Anyways, this was us messing around today. Thank you for watching, I guess. Yeah, there's gonna be more apparently, but just not sure if it's gonna be a video or it's gonna be more streams of us making this thing work. We know it works. We just don't know how it's gonna look in the end. Right?
Yeah. This needs to be cleaned up.
Alright, so if you guys wanna see more, stay tuned. Hopefully it's gonna happen, because I'm the type of person who would say something and then maybe not do it. Alright? Just like the flamethrower, I mean. Anyways, I do think it looks pretty cool though, that flamethrower of mine. I think it looks amazing. But anyways, yeah. Also it fits the scrap mechanic style, definitely, in my opinion. But yeah. So let's just turn off the music. No, let's not play that song, thank you. Let's turn off the music and also say thank you to... Oh wait, right, thanks for actually reminding me. Can you stop shooting for a second? I wanna see if this really is true. It doesn't seem to be the case in game, but can you stop moving? Can you come somewhere to the sun? I'm trying to inspect the tank. Stop. Can you move? Can you look upwards? Not too much upwards. About no. I guess that works. The tank, right? That stupid tank. It's not really curved, right? Can you get rid of it now? Can you? Oh. Right. That is really weird, actually. But yeah, it's a thing. Oh, it does have the valve on the side. Interesting. So I spent so much time just making that stupid valve there, and from what I can see, I made it wrong.
Alstrak,
Yes.
I can export the complete Sputkin for you if you want.
Look, it says
Model.
Pascal. It says Pascal.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I would like to do that. Like to have that brand. Please export as a model. Oh, why did the toast not explode?
I don't know.
Anyways, yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Brandon couldn't spawn another one of his bombs. And yeah, let's also thank him for being a part of the stream, because otherwise without him that wouldn't be really possible. I mean, the thing we're building. So yeah, I guess goodbye. Really?
Good night.
And that too, yes. Right. See ya. Have a great one. Also, thank you all very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. And of course, bye bye. I forgot to say that.